Step 6. Nipple up blowout preventer stack and pressure test. Operation description. At this step, the crew installs the 3-pipe ram blowout preventer stack on top of the wellhead and performs a pressure integrity test to confirm full functionality. The blowout preventer is a critical barrier to prevent uncontrolled fluid or gas flow during subsequent well intervention. The operation begins by verifying the well is secured with the BPV installed and the surface pressure is stable. The stack is carefully lifted and aligned on the wellhead using the rig hoist, and the pipe rams are connected and torqued according to manufacturer specifications. Once installed, hydraulic lines are connected for the ram actuators, and the blowout preventer stack undergoes a pressure test to verify the sealing integrity of the rams and the annular preventer. The pressure test is monitored for leaks, pressure drops, and hydraulic performance. Continuous communication between the rig floor and well site supervisor ensures any abnormal readings are immediately addressed. Only after a successful test can intervention or completion work proceed. Job hazard analysis. This stage carries several high-risk hazards, heavy lifting hazards. Blowout preventer stack components are extremely heavy. Improper lifting can cause dropped objects, crushing injuries, or rig floor damage. High-pressure hazards. Testing rams involves high hydraulic and well pressures. Leaks or sudden failures could cause serious injuries. Pinch points. Aligning and connecting the blowout preventer flanges exposes hands and fingers to potential injury. Hydraulic hazards. Leaks or ruptures in hydraulic lines can lead to fluid injection injuries. Slip, trip, and fall hazards. Rig floor around the wellhead may be wet or cluttered during installation and testing. Control measures include use of certified lifting slings and tag lines, with personnel positioned out of the danger zone. Confirming well pressure is stable and the BPV is installed before moving the blowout preventer stack. Wearing full PPE, gloves, safety glasses, hard hat, steel-toed boots, and face shields. Conducting a toolbox talk to review installation and pressure test procedures. Continuous monitoring of hydraulic lines and pressure gauges during the test. 5. Risk assessment. Before controls, the likelihood of an incident such as dropped blowout preventer hydraulic line rupture or uncontrolled fluid flow is 3, possible, while the severity is 5, catastrophic, given the potential for fatal injuries or major well control events. The initial risk rating is therefore 15 high, which is unacceptable without controls. After applying mitigation measures, certified lifting equipment, secured rig floor, pressure isolation, and PPE, the likelihood reduces to 2, unlikely, while severity remains 4, major, due to the high energy involved in hydraulics and well pressure. The residual risk rating is 8, medium, which allows the operation to proceed under strict supervision and continuous monitoring. Permit to work. This step requires a blowout preventer installation and pressure test permit. The PTW must include verification that well is secured and pressure stable prior to blowout preventer installation, identification of responsible personnel, rig supervisor, company man, driller, and safety officer, detailed lifting and alignment plan for the blowout preventer stack, including hoist capacities and tagline requirements, hydraulic line connection procedures, with pressure rating verification, pressure test plan, test pressure, duration, and acceptable limits, PPE requirements for all personnel in the wellhead area, emergency procedures for pressure loss, hydraulic leak, or equipment drop, communication protocol between rig floor, control room, and well site supervisor. The permit must be signed and approved before lifting the BOP stack, and it remains valid only until successful completion of the pressure test and confirmation that all systems are secure.